Okay, so today we will extract data from the CSV file. So like you have the header file here. So header will be fruit, color or usual size, and the data will be apple. The color will be red and usual size small, right? So we will be extracting this data with the Python script, and the result will look like this. Apple red small, banana yellow small, or we can get our result like this. Uh, Fruit apple, color red, usual size small. Fruit banana, color yellow or usual size small. So how can we do that? Okay, let's hop into it. Okay, just open our Visual Studio Code. Then I have already prepared my script. You can just copy and paste it. So I copy and I paste it here. So if I go to my file manager, so here. So this is import CSV, and this is looking for the CSV file path. So this is our, and this is the our file path. So this is our file path, and this is the test CSV. You see, this is the test CSV. So we open our file and read the CSV file. If I run this one, you see, fruit color usual size, apple red small, apple red small, banana yellow small. See? Okay. So how can we get this type of results? Okay, this is pretty easy. So I've already prepared this. No worries. I will paste the code links in the GitHub link in my description. Okay, let's paste it here. And this is import CSV, and this is the same CSV file path is C user, your name, desktop, and CSV, and this is your file name. Okay. So this is the header. Oh, one important thing here is unpack the raw data. So we have to unpack the raw data. So here we need the header file as fruit, color, and usual size. So fruit, color, usual size. So everything related to fruit will be apple, color will be red, usual size will be small. So this is the row. And we are printing the fruit equal fruit, color equal to color, and usual size equal to usual size, means these values, right? And if I run the script, see, this is fruit, apple, color, red, usual size small, fruit, banana, color yellow, usual size small, fruit, banana, colors yellow, usual size small. I hope it will help your CSV file and work with your efficiency. Yeah, thanks. Bye.